Hello, I'm Roderick McCrandle, the owner and operator of RAM Legal Services Ontario and a licensed paralegal. I wanted to address this video to landlords. We all know that under the current pandemic situation, the Ontario government has put a temporary ban on evictions. But in time, that ban will be lifted. And if you're a landlord facing a problem tenant, it's very likely that when the ban is lifted, that tenant may still be a problem for you. So if you're seeking to terminate that tenancy and evict the tenant, why do you need professional legal help? Can't you go to the Landlord Tenant Board on your own and do it? Yes, maybe you can. But when you arrive at the Landlord and Tenant Board hearing, keep in mind that your tenant will have legal representation. At the Landlord and Tenant Board, there are duty counselors who are there to provide free legal services for tenants only. The landlord who arrives unrepresented puts themselves at a disadvantage. Things happen at Landlord and Tenant Board hearings. Duty counsel, if they find that you've made a legal error, they will recognize it and they will exploit it to help their client. It's their job, and they're there to try and protect their client's rights. That could happen at your expense. The unrepresented landlord is unfamiliar with the process, and they might be unsure of what to do, when to speak, when to listen, and what you should say to the member of the Landlord and Tenant Board who's going to decide your case. The Residential Tenancy Act was designed to advantage tenants, to level the playing field, and the fact of duty counselors being there to represent tenants but not landlords continues to disadvantage the landlord in the process. If you don't have experienced professional legal help, someone like myself who has appeared multiple times before the Landlord and Tenant Board to help you, you may not be able to secure the eviction you need to protect your property and your rights. If you need assistance in this way, contact me, Roderick McCrandle, at RAM Legal Services Ontario at 613-553-4540, or send me an email at roderick.mccrandle@ramlso.ca, and let's see if I can't help to balance the scales of justice for you.